And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a warm golden glow in Adobe Lightroom. We've got our basic image here. The first adjustments, they are dependent on the image that you use. I just want to crop it a little bit and then play around with the basic edit. Well, let me crop the right hand side a little bit more. That's good. Now I'll go to the edit menu. On the light I want to adjust it, but let me use the auto function and then adjust it manually a little bit more. I definitely want to use the curves adjustment as well, and you can access that via the symbol right to the light text. There it is. And maybe something like that works well for this image. So what we need for the color, we will go down with the temperature and then give it a little bit of a greenish tint, not too much. And we will later on adjust it a little bit more. But now let's go to the effects panel and we will open the split toning. And then we will drag for the shadows and the highlights these color circles to a yellow-orange color. So the exact value, it depends on the image that you use, but you can see it gives it this golden glow. You can access that via the split toning element right next to effects. And now, as we're here, let me give it a vignette. I'll play around with the dehaze and clarity just slightly. Once again, these adjustments depend on the image that you use. So let's get back to color. And now we want to adjust the vibrance and the saturation. In most cases you want to go down. And then open your color mixer and go to the yellow color. And then go down with the hue. And you want to decrease the saturation for this color channel specifically as well. Sometimes it helps to adjust the orange color channel as well. In this case, we don't need that. And you can still adjust the temperature, vibrance and tint a little bit more. And go back to the split toning, adjust it a little bit more. Maybe do something like this. And if we compare it to the original, you can see how we could create this warm gold glow. So what you need is analyzing the basic adjustments with the curves. Then you go to color, you want to set the temperature and tint. And then play around with the color mixer, the yellow color channel specifically. And under effects you want to use the split toning for highlights and the shadows to a yellow-orange tone. And then you adjust the vibrance and the saturation for each. And this is how you can recreate this warm golden glow in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.